Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SHAILA.LESHE. We are back today with a Makeup Monday tutorial. Y'all, I haven't posted in like 4 weeks. I know life has just been crazy, but I'm so glad to be back and posting videos for you guys. We are almost at 500 subscribers and I'm trying to hit 1K, you guys, before my year mark. So hit that subscribe button right now, you guys. You may think that liking and commenting aren't that big of a deal, but it really is, and it really helps my channel. So if you have been supporting my channel, thank you so much. But yes, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before my year mark. So we got a couple more months before I hit my year mark. So y'all, please subscribe to my channel. If you are rocking with your girl, you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, you guys. All right, so today I'm giving you this soft glam look with a winged eye and a red lip. You know, I love a pretty soft glam natural beat, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's my go-to. If you see me out and about and I have on makeup, I would probably have a soft glam natural beat look. That's just what I like. I don't like to look overdone. I don't like to look like I have a ton of makeup on. But this is nice and soft and pretty, but you know, a little something that catches your eye at the same time, you know? So let's get into the video, you guys. Alright, starting off with the fresh face, I'm about to use my BADESCU Rose Water Spray and my Tarte Hydrating Primer. I just like to use this because it just makes my makeup look flawless in the end. So I love this primer. Next, I'm going to take my LANCOME foundation in 435 Bisque and I'm going to mix it with my Tarte Found Concealer in 52N Deep Neutral. First, I'm just going to put this all over my face. I ran out, so I had to scrape it out of the out of the tube because I need to buy some more. But you know, it worked. I had enough to do this look, so that's all that matters. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face, and then I'm gonna take my Tarte Found Concealer and mix that in. It just warms up my foundation color because the LANCOME is a little light, and then the Found Concealer has a tint of darkness to it, so it just warms up my concealer when my foundation when I put it all together, and it just looks very flawless. It looks like my skin tone, and I just really love these two together. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and my Lancome Concealer in Peach. And for MAC, I am wearing NC42. I like to mix these together as well because, like I said, one is a little lighter and then the other one, the Lancome, kind of warms up the color a little bit. Sometimes you have to mix your concealers and foundations to get the perfect tone for your skin. So that's what I'm doing, and I kind of put my concealer down a little too far, so I had to wipe some off. But now I'm just putting my concealer on, and I'm just gonna blend that in really nicely. You just want to blend to get it nice and seamless. And you know my video would not be my video if I did not take a little dance break after slaying my face, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to take my Black Up contour powder and I'm just going to put my contour on. I really love this contour powder because, well, normally I've been wearing cream contour, but this is a powder. And so I like this one because it's just the perfect shade, and I feel like it gives my contour a really nice tone. And I'm using a skinnier brush to contour my nose because it needs to be very skinny and narrow in that area. So that's what I'm doing. And now I'm just gonna blend all that in with my blending sponge. You want to make sure you just blend to get it nice and seamless. You want to make sure that you blend it so you won't see any lines of demarcation. It just needs to be blended in to the skin very, very nicely so your makeup could look like it's your natural skin and it doesn't look like you have lines of where your makeup starts and stops, you know? I'm taking my concealer and putting it on my nose again because I kind of made that area a little too dark, going too far in the center with my contour. So I just lightened it back up with my concealer and now it looks good. Alright, now I'm taking my NYX brow pencil. And this is in the shade Brunette. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. But first, I'm going to take my Makeup Forever translucent powder. And I'm going to put that underneath my cheekbones. Because that's what I use when I'm trying to get that nice, crisp line underneath my cheekbones from my contour. So while I let that bake, I'm going to do my brows. Y'all, I got my brows threaded and like they're super thick, but I kind of like them. But yeah, they're just really thick right now. But my brows are naturally thick, but I was just like, whoa, I haven't seen my brows this thick in a while. So I'm kind of happy, but I'm like, oh, are they too thick? But anywho, okay, so I'm just gonna blend that off. Now I'm just going to blend off those crease marks in my eyelids and use my NYX HD primer for my eyeshadow base. You just want to put that on and then spread it across your whole eye. And I like to do underneath my eye too because I put eyeshadow underneath my eye as well. And then I apply the eyeshadow. This eyeshadow that I'm applying right now is actually highlight. It is COVERGIRL's Full Spectrum Highlighting Palette, and sometimes I just like to use highlight for my eyeshadow because it's really pigmented and it comes out just as nice as a nice eyeshadow would. So that's a little trick. If you didn't know, you can use your highlight for your eyeshadow sometimes as well. It works just as good as regular eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to blend that out, and then I'm going to take my Pure Barbie palette and I'm using this brownish color. If you see my other makeup tutorials, you know that this is like my go-to look. I do a nice pretty color in the front and I top it off with a brown in the back because it just makes my eye look a little more intense, and I just like an intense looking eye. So what I do is I fade it to the front to give it a more in-depth look, to make it look like my eyes are a little more sunken in, and so that just gives it like a more intense look. So I like using that dark color to give my eye a little more depth. And now I'm just taking my concealer to lighten up that area because of the eyeshadow fallout. You always want to lighten up the area underneath your eyeshadow with concealer after you do your eyeshadow, because you will probably have eyeshadow fallout and you just need to lighten up that area again. Alright, everything looks nice and blended. So now I'm just going to take some powder. I kind of put too much powder, but I'm going to take the translucent powder and just put that all over my face. I actually meant to put my blush on before I put my powder on, but now I'm going to take my NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette and put that all over my cheeks. I like to mix like 3 colors together. It just gives like this warm rose look. And now I'm taking my eyeliner. This eyeliner, you guys, it's a little sticky. It is Maybelline's Tattoo Studio inked eyeliner, but it's kind of gooey and thick a little bit, and it was kind of hard to apply. So next time I'm probably going to take my other eyeliner that I have, my other liquid eyeliner. But you know, it got the job done. So we're creating this cute winged look today. And if you want an in-depth tutorial on my wing look, I'm going to post that on my next Makeup Monday video, so definitely tune in for that so you can see how I do my different eyeliner looks. But now I'm just going to put some bottom eyeliner on to give my eyes a little more drama. And I'm going to take my Colosso mascara and apply that to my bottom lashes to balance out my lashes a little bit. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay ink crayon. This is in the shade Hustle and Heels, and I'm going to use this as my lip liner. Then I'm going to take my MAC Ruby Woo lipstick, and if you are familiar, this is the same lip shade that I had in my top fave MAC fall lip colors. If you haven't checked that video out, definitely check that out. But here's the final look, you guys. A nice soft glam with a winged eye and a red lip. I love this look. It's giving classy but edgy at the same time. Definitely a versatile look. You can definitely wear this look to a nice outing or date night. I am in love with this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And hit that like button and that subscribe button, you guys. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers and 1,000 before my year mark. So please subscribe to your girl's channel. If you like my content and you aren't subscribed, then what are you waiting for, sis? Come on, hit that subscribe button, support your girl, okay? Slowly but surely, we are climbing up this mountain, and I'm doing it with you guys, and I'm so excited to continue this journey with you all. If you want to see some more eyeliner looks, different eyeliner looks that I do, tune into my next Makeup Monday video that I'm gonna drop. It's gonna be different eyeliner looks. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Mwah.